Hi, in this lesson, we're going to take a look at the slideshow tab. There's a lot going on the slideshow tab, and we'll give you a quick overview of all of it. The first section, start the slideshow. It's exactly what it sounds like. If we want to start the slideshow from the beginning, we can click there, or from a particular slide. Maybe we want to start from slide 2, from that current slide. Next, we have the option to present in Teams, and it's exactly what it sounds like. If you click that button, Teams will open up, and if you're in a Teams meeting, you can begin to present your PowerPoint presentation right there in that Teams meeting. Custom slideshow. Custom slideshow will give you options to create a custom slideshow. Maybe I wanted a slide presentation that's only 3 out of 50 slides. I can select which slides I want and create that custom show. Rehearse section. This is a new option, Rehearse with Coach. If you rehearse your presentation and you're trying to speak and give your narration and do other things, maybe animations, maybe you're drawing on your screen, the Rehearse with Coach feature will give you pointers of how you can improve. It'll give you tips about your pacing, your timing, maybe if you're using extra words, maybe if you're using sensitive phrases. And when you're done, it's going to give you a report with all of that information in it. The next section, setup. We have setup slideshow, and if we click there, we have options as to how to get ready to present. Do you want it to loop continuously? Do you want it to show without narration, without animation? Do you want to have it presented by a speaker or browsed on a kiosk? All of these options here. Hide slide. Let's say I wanted to hide this slide. Simply click there, and that will not be in the presentation. Rehearse timings. It's the same as Rehearse with Coach, only without the coach. You can just rehearse on your own without any tips or help from Microsoft. The record button. The record button here will record your presentation, and you'll be able to export it as a video. Keep slides updated if it's a presentation that you're working on in multiple locations, so it has to be shared in OneDrive, or if you're collaborating on it with people. As changes are being made, this will update the slide. Play narrations. If you've recorded a narration for your presentation, that would run. Use timings. If you've applied timings to your slide, that will use those and show the media controls. So if you have, for example, say a video clip or an audio clip, you will be able to see those media controls. Play, fast forward, pause, and rewind. Monitors section. If you're using more than one monitor, which monitor do you want the presentation to run on? You can let PowerPoint decide on its own, or you can choose a monitor. Now, I only have one monitor here, so it's only giving me one option. Use presenter view. Presenter view is always great, especially if you're using multiple monitors. Captions and subtitles. Do you want to use subtitles? Yes, PowerPoint can add subtitles in real time as you're presenting. It's a really great feature. And you have subtitle settings where you can choose the language of the subtitle and where you'll see them. So now you know a little bit more about the slideshow tab. But that's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.